Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great large sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 1991 Cadillac Brougham. This Cadillac is powered by rear-wheel drive, 5.7-liter engine, automatic transmission and has 64,944 miles. Discover timeless elegance with this 1991 Cadillac Brougham. Experience luxurious comfort, classic style, and smooth performance. Perfect for collectors or anyone seeking a ride that turns heads. Don't miss this opportunity, drive away in sophistication today. This pre-owned Brougham comes with many and comfort and luxury, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.